Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can generate an API token for your account in the Penpot or web designing app. So let us dive into this. So guys, for this method, navigate back to the home screen of your Penpot account. Next, click into username, and then you will need to navigate to your account settings here. Sorry, let me click into it. From there, navigate to integrations here on the left-hand side. And at the bottom of that list, you will see the personalized access tokens. You can create one for your account by clicking into this button. As you can see, I haven't created any yet. So let me do that. Example token, can give it a name here, right? And then guys, set an expiration date below, right? You can choose between 30 days, 60, 90, and 180. I will go with a month and then click into this button here. And as you can see, guys, the token will be stored here. You can copy it by clicking into that button to copy to your clipboard. You will see the expiration date below, and that's it. You can also remove it, which is what I'm about to do, because yeah, I don't want to have that token. It's just for demonstration purposes. So click into delete here and delete the token, and that's how you can generate them and remove them from your account on Penpot. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got something from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.